In the heart of the 19th century, a new era was about to unfold. The world was on the brink of a revolution, one that would forever alter the way humans communicated. This was the age of the Industrial Revolution, a time of unprecedented technological growth and innovation. But among these advancements, one stood out, a humble invention that would sow the seeds of the information age, the telegraph. Born from the mind of a brilliant inventor, Samuel Morse, the telegraph was a marvel of its time. It was a device that could send coded electrical signals over long distances, converting these signals into readable messages at the other end. A simple yet groundbreaking invention, it promised to bridge the gaps between continents and shrink the world. The year was 1844, and the stage was set for the first public demonstration of the telegraph. The scene was Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States, and the tension was palpable. Morse, along with his assistant Alfred Vail, stood before a crowd of skeptical onlookers, their eyes fixed on the mysterious device before them. Morse, a man of great passion and determination, took a deep breath and prepared to send a message. He tapped out a series of dots and dashes, the Morse code he had developed, and waited. A few moments later, a series of clicks echoed from the receiver, and to the astonishment of the crowd, the message was displayed, "What hath God wrought?" The demonstration was a success, and the telegraph was embraced by the world. It opened up new possibilities for instantaneous communication, transforming the way governments, businesses, and individuals communicated. The telegraph was the spark that ignited the information age, paving the way for future innovations such as the telephone, the internet, and more. But the telegraph was not without its challenges. It required a vast network of wires to be laid across continents, a task that required immense planning and resources. It also demanded a new workforce, operators who could decode the Morse code and keep the lines of communication open. Yet, the rewards outweighed the challenges. The telegraph brought the world closer together, enabling the rapid exchange of information and ideas. It shortened the time it took for news to travel, making the world a smaller, more interconnected place. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology to shape history. As we stand today, in the digital age, it is easy to forget the humble beginnings of the information age. The telegraph, a simple device of dots and dashes, was the first step in a journey that has led us to where we are today. It serves as a reminder of the potential that lies in innovation and the power of human curiosity to change the course of history. So, let us remember the telegraph, the first child of the information age, and the remarkable man who brought it to life, Samuel Morse. For it was their vision and determination that laid the foundation for the technological revolution we are witnessing today. The dawn of the information age may have begun with a single spark, but it is the continuous pursuit of innovation that keeps it burning bright.